Hey, what's going on, guys? You're here from Easy Blade. Today we're gonna talk about, can you open up a barbershop if you're not a barber? Let's get into it. Okay guys, can you open up a barbershop if you're not a barber? The answer is yes. But the biggest thing is, a lot of people don't know, is barbers come and go. That's the biggest issue. So we're dealing with an industry that is service, guys. It's a service-based industry. It's not like you could just hire somebody to come and work the shop. Like if you had a juice bar or a deli or whatever you had, somebody that makes sandwiches or burgers, anybody could do that. But the biggest thing is, not everybody can cut hair. When you open up a shop, you have to have some type of connection to a barber school. That's the biggest thing. You can do it because there are shops that are ran all over the world by non-barbers, people that are not barbers and they love the industry and they just want to get into it and they open up shops. But the biggest issue is having access to barbers or stylists. When I was younger and I wanted to open up a barbershop, I had a barbershop owner tell me, don't open up a barbershop unless you can hold down the barbershop yourself. What does that mean? It means that don't open up a shop unless you're making enough income to pay the rent yourself. The issue is barbers come and go. Barbers could be there for a year or two and they could end up leaving the shop and go somewhere else. A lot of barbers end up going to open up their own barbershop as well. So that's very big, guys. You want to make sure that you have access to other barbers or that you cut hair yourself. So that's the biggest thing. Now, you don't have to be there all the time, but you want to make sure that you have the skill level to possibly hold it down. Again, if you had a sandwich spot or a juice bar, these are just examples. If you knew how to make a sandwich, anybody can make a sandwich. So if you didn't have an employee that day, you would be able to make the sandwich yourself. You would have to go in and put in that time because it's your business. So you want to have some type of backup, or another smart thing to do is be a partner with a barber or stylist. That means 50-50 with a barber or stylist to hold down the shop with you. So just in case you guys don't have anybody, your partner can hold down the fort. So if you're thinking about doing this, you want to make sure that you have access to a barber school and you communicate with that barber school or barber salon or whatever it is that you want to do. These schools and have a relationship with barbers that'll be coming out of the school. So every time somebody leaves, you'll have another barber to replace them. Or another good thing is you have to be a good shop owner. I think a lot of times people that are not in the industry, they think that this is like any other job, when reality is your barbers are assets to you. So you want to make sure that you really take care of your barbers. You want to make sure that you take care of your barbers and you build a team to where people don't want to leave and they actually want to be in that location. They actually want to be family with you. You got to create a family because, again, this is a service industry. You don't want to make people unhappy. A lot of times when barbers go to other places and other shops, it's because they're unhappy, or a lot of times when barbers open up their own shops, it's because they want to grow. So a lot of times barbers want to grow and they end up leaving the shop. But if you can generate enough income for that barbershop location where the barber's making a lot of money, because a lot of people don't want to be barbershop owners, and a lot of times you don't have to own a barbershop to make good money. You can make good money if your barbershop owner is contributing to advertisement and really making that barbershop location grow. You can make more than 6 figures a year inside of a barbershop location. I have videos on this on the channel. You can go ahead and check those out, how to make $100,000 as a barber. If your barbershop owner, or you, the barbershop owner, is really invested in your assets, which are your barbers, then you can make a lot of money. You can make them a lot of money and you can make a lot of money as well. But the biggest thing, those barbers have to be happy financially or they're gonna want to leave. They have to be happy environmentally, else they're gonna want to leave, because if the environment is not what they want it to be, you have to be in a happy place. So I suggest, if you're gonna open up a shop, have access to a barber school and do treat your barbers well, or go the other route and partner up with a barber or stylist, or again, become a barber yourself. Jay here from EasyBladeShavingProducts.com. I hope this video helped you guys out a lot. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. If you have any ideas of any videos that you guys are interested in doing, leave a comment below. Talk to you guys soon.